squatting is a great way to change the range of motion needs of a squat. So sometimes somebody might have a mobility restriction somewhere in their lower body, or maybe some knee pain or some low back pain, and they can't quite get to the bottom of a regular squat without some issues or some pain. So we will ask them to do box squats instead. Box squats are essentially the same thing as a regular squat, except this stops me before I would normally stop in a full squat. Pretty simple. You can use a bench, you could use a plyo box, you could use a stack of bumper plates. In this case, obviously I have a bench with one plate. And if I am getting pain at this height, maybe knee pain, for instance, maybe I put another plate here and then stop even shorter. So you can adjust this to your specific needs. Now, one thing to notice that when you do this, your shin stays relatively vertical compared to a regular squat where you would dorsiflex your ankle quite a bit. In this one, because we are actually aiming to sit back, you don't need to bend your ankle nearly as much, okay? The setup is very simple. In this case, I'm going to be doing goblet squat variation. You can do this with any load variation, so front squats, back squats, goblet squats, and so on and so forth, okay? Make sure you're lined up with your seat. You could also use a chair, I suppose, if you wanted to. Just make sure there's not like an office chair that's on casters. Make sure it's stable. Hold the load, okay? Feet set up about shoulder width apart, toes forward, maybe slightly out if you need it. Tighten up the core by taking a deep breath into my belly. Hold that breath. Push my hips back, descend, sit down. Now I'm actually sitting my load onto the platform. And then I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to engage my glutes, my posterior chain, push those knees wide, and stand it back up.